Mutongeria wa Iguru William Ruto aruga koti ya Iguru ni umbithitie bunene kwa Kenya kioto kiria kuwa gitonekaga mbere ya katiba INJERU. RAIS Ruto akiaria kagita kamambura ja gukungwira miaka 12 ya koti ije aruga na kurigara mono buria Kenya ya kari mbere ya kwija gwa koti ije akiromba rwangirwo gambithania gwetana mbere gutwira Kenya kioto.
Over the past 12 years, the Supreme Court has played a transformative role in shaping both Kenya's jurisprudence and shaping our country's socio-political development. This court's landmark judgments have influenced the daily lives of Kenyans while reinforcing the core principles of our democracy. Through hearing and determining 4 presidential election petitions over the last 3 election cycles, the court has set critical benchmarks for conducting free, fair, and transparent elections.
It is difficult for us to imagine how the Republic of Kenya existed for many decades without a Supreme Court. It has helped us reject the many false dichotomies that once constrained our policies and politics, including the belief that freedom must be sacrificed for security, and that democracy and stability are mutually exclusive, or that sustainable development is the monopoly of the centralized government.
In the short time the Supreme Court of Kenya has existed, the jurisprudence has been quite groundbreaking, and on that front, I think it will be unfair for any assessor to actually fault the performance of the Supreme Court. To deliver the public good called justice, of course, the court has to do that through its jurisprudence and through the decisions they make. The court has also done very well in terms of the infrastructure, the software, the technology bit. And among the arms of government and the agencies of government, I think the judiciary is ahead of the rest of us.
There is no doubt that the Supreme Court has not been short of critics during the past 12 years. Its decisions have been and will be debated and dissected vigorously. And in a number of cases, disagreements will linger for long. Nevertheless, it would be unduly pessimistic to overlook the court's clear efforts to interpret the Constitution with wisdom, reinforcing pillars of democracy, justice, equality, freedom, good governance, accountability, and the rule of law in a very robust way with immense clarity. Sometimes citizens, including myself agree. Sometimes we don't. But we are bound